Hey family, welcome back to Caribbean J03. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. Hopefully you'll join the family and subscribe. A big welcome to all my new subscribers and a heartfelt thank you to all my regulars. I appreciate every one of you so much. Today I'm making ratatouille based vegetable sauce that can be served with jasmine rice or pasta. You can also use it by itself or choose whatever protein you want to add with it. It's quick, it's flavorful. I will be freezing it because I'm not using it right away. And these are some vegetables that my sister had gotten blessed with. And they have everything for the ratatouille except the squash. They didn't have any squash in it. So I'm just using the same base of the ratatouille to make this sauce. Guys, I'm so looking forward to it. Because I'm not using it now, I'm sharing it in two gallon size Ziploc bags, and I'll be freezing it. So let's start cooking. Yes, guys. Okay, the vegetables have already been diced. They're all medium diced. And now we're starting with some coconut oil. You can use any oil that you have. Your choice, vegetable oil, you go for it, guys. So now I'm adding my onions, a bit of salt. And now I'm going to combine the salt with my onions, a little bit of black pepper. Okay, these are the jalapeno peppers that I had. I chopped them and add them in here for a little kick. And yes, mother, I will be using the little bit of cayenne pepper. These are peppers that I had in the freezer, the colorful one, the yellow and the red were from the freezer. And yes, I will be adding the liquid from the peppers in a few. Let's saute these, and I'm adding now my red pepper. I had a little piece of red pepper that I needed to use, so I just add it in there. Hey, my pot, my rule, right? Remember what I tell you guys? Your pot, your rules. And now I'm adding my eggplants. Guys, I had 3 different type of eggplants. 2 or 3 different type of eggplants in here. Hey, it was a gift. You use what you have, right? And that's the Italian seasoning that I'm putting in there. I add a little bit more black pepper and a little bit more salt as I add the eggplants in there. Now I'm going to cover it and leave it to steam for a few minutes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. How beautiful. I wish if you guys could have smelled this. It smells so nice. Now I'm adding my garlic. Lord, guys. I'm doing a thing in the kitchen, doing a thing here. I was trying to get the garlic in the bottom of the pot. What I should have done was make a little hole and put it in there. Anyway, that's okay. Now I'm adding, I thought I was recording when I add the tomato sauce in there. But that's fine. And that was my chicken broth that I added in there because I needed more liquid. And cover it again. Now it's coming to a beautiful boil. Look at that, guys. And adding a little bit more water in there, but this time I'm adding hot water because it's already boiling. I don't want to drop it too low in the temperature. So it's just going to continue to boil. Guys. The scent of this, Lord. And as I said in the beginning, it's a ratatouille base. It's not ratatouille, but it's a base that I'm using. Guys, look at those tomatoes. My sister had gotten some very big tomatoes, beautiful. I just had to use everything, guys, everything. Look at that after it cooked down. Well, it still has a little bit more to go because you can see the eggplant needs to continue to cook. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. And guys, I would have that sometimes in the morning with for breakfast. Lord, with a piece of chicken or a piece of fish. I know my mother will love this. Lord, yes. Okay, guys. I had made meatloaf that day. TJ had put some rice, and now I am going to taste this with my jasmine rice. Lord. Guys, if you have pasta, go for it. Okay, now that the sauce already been cooled off, completely cool, now I'm gonna share it with in these two gallon size bags, and I'll be storing it in the freezer. Oh, guys, I tasted it. Kiss to the chef. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my Lord, I can hear my sister self praise. Oh, yeah, girl. I can't wait for her to taste it too. Okay, guys, I ended up sending one of the bags to mom for her and Cher to share, because I could not resist, and I know how much she would love this. Yes. So, guys, I will let you know what mom says. Okay, guys, mom enjoyed it very, very much. I knew she would. Okay, guys, Cher haven't tasted yet. That's another story for another time. I can't wait for her to tell you. Hey family, the vegetable sauce is done and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and unsubscribe if you haven't already. I'm not sure what you're waiting for. Let me know if you try it, and if you did something else, if you put your own spin on it, let me know. Thanks for spending the time in the kitchen with me. Until next time, stay safe, God bless, and I will see you guys in my next video.